Tibongko and the Christmas.
Yes, this is the coming of the Tibongko Christmas. So, it's on my own. And there are many display of the Christmas light and there are big Christmas. And I'll be the one to keep the Christmas light, higher tree Christmas tree. To give the support of the mayor of Tibongko. And
What can you say about our politics now?
my politics is different.
Tibongko.
In Tibongko, different between the politics of the other. Because why? Tibongko is a peaceful place, and also we have no demanding person, and demanding situation to all the Filipino. Thank you.
May introduce ka, may introduce sa Matagal Miss May name.